A decades-old road rage case has come back to haunt Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu as he now faces 1 year in jail. The Supreme Court has modified its own 2018 verdict in a review plea and imposed 1 year rigorous imprisonment on Sidhu. In 1998, a 65-year-old man died after Sidhu punched him in the head during a road rage altercation in Patiala. According to the police, the deceased, identified as Gurnam Singh, was driving a car and got into an argument with Sidhu. The matter was before the trial court till 1999, when the trial court acquitted Sidhu. An appeal was then filed in the High Court, which convicted Sidhu in 2006. Read Thoko Tali, Capt Amarinder's party mocks Sidhu after road rage case verdict. Sidhu then moved the apex court, which in 2018 recognized that there were lapses in investigation, but reduced his sentence to only ₹1,000 fine for the offence of causing hurt under Section 323. The family then filed a review petition. The bench of Justices A.M. Khanwilkar and Justice S.K. Kaul has now modified the verdict. The bench said, "We do believe that the indulgence was not required to be shown at the stage of sentence by only imposing a sentence of fine and letting the respondent go without any imposition of sentence. When a 25-year-old man, who was an international cricketer, assaults a man more than twice his age and inflicts, even with his bare hands, a severe blow on his head, the unintended consequence of harm would still be properly attributable. Tempers may have been lost, but then the consequences of the loss of temper must be borne," the court added. While accepting the need for review of the 2018 verdict, the court has said undue sympathy to impose inadequate sentence would do more harm to justice system and undermine public confidence in the efficacy of law. Society cannot long endure under serious threats, and if the courts do not protect the injured would then resort to private vengeance, and, therefore, it is the duty of every court to award proper sentence having regard to the nature of the offence and the manner in which it was executed or committed, the bench held. Speaking to India Today after the verdict, Advocate Sudhir Walia, lawyer for the family of Gurnam Singh, said that the verdict was welcome and very emotional. "They have fought this battle for so long. They are a poor farmer's family. I have been sitting in the Gurudwara since afternoon waiting for the verdict. This shows that the justice system works. Crime has to pay sometime," he said. Reacting to the verdict, senior advocate and Congress leader A.M. Singhvi said that this was a rare case. "It is extremely unusual for the court to pass such an order in a criminal case in a review. We will have to study the verdict before commenting on what steps can be taken by Sidhu," he said.